National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Parker County in north-central Texas, east central Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cool, or near Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mineral Wells, Cool, and Lake Mineral Wells around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Adele, Witt, Agnes, Feaster, Bennett, Advance, Often, Millsap, Garner, and Salesville. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 392 and 396. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north-central Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Weatherford, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Weatherford, Willow Park, Hudson Oaks, and Lake Weatherford around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hazel around 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Reno around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Brock Junction, Adele, Feaster, Advance, Dennis, Annetta South, Agnes, Often, Annetta North, and Highland Addition. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 395 and 422. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Parker County in north-central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Weatherford, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Weatherford, Willow Park, Hudson Oaks, and Lake Weatherford around 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Annetta North, Highland Addition, Sanctuary, and La Junta. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 406 and 419. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
On WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for Somervell County, northern Bosque County, and Hood County until 9 p.m. Thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Lipan to Hico, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Some storms may have 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings new for Somervell County, northern Bosque, and Hood County until 9 p.m. Severe thunderstorms along a line from Lipan down to Hyco, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Potential 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts in this line of storms. Additionally, a flash flood warning has been issued for Parker County, which is already under a severe thunderstorm warning, and the eastern corner of Parker County is under a tornado warning for the next half hour or so. Once again, now a flash flood warning for all of Parker County until 11 o'clock. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, Hill County in central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Azle to near Meridian, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fort Worth, Benbrook, White Settlement, Azle, Briar, Eagle Mountain, Pecan Acres, Pelican Bay, Godley, and Cleburne State Park around 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cleburne, Lake Worth, West Worth Village, Haslett, and Lake Whitney around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Burleson, Saginaw, River Oaks, Sansom Park, and Lake Pat Cleburne around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Crowley, Joshua, Edgecliff Village, Blue Mound, Bloom, and Edgecliff around 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Haltom City, Keller, Watauga, Everman, Keene, and Cross Timber around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Forest Hill, Richland Hills, Rendon, North Richland Hills, Whitney, and Lake Whitney State Park around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Arlington, Hearst, Southlake, Colleyville, Kennedale, Alvarado, and Covington around 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Pantego, and Aquila Lake around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Wise County in north central Texas until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain and flooding across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are forecast. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Decatur, Bridgeport, Briar, Pecan Acres, Springtown, Rome, Haslett, Alvord, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Paradise, Newark, Keeter, Cottondale, Greenwood, Balzora, Slidell, and Boonesville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north central Texas until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hudson Oaks, or near Weatherford, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Weatherford, Willow Park, Aledo, Hudson Oaks, Anetta, and Lake Weatherford around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Agnes, Feaster, Tantop, Horseshoe Bend, Anetta South, Anetta North, Highland Addition, Sanctuary, La Junta, and Crescent. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing new severe thunderstorm warnings for eastern Tarrant County and for Dallas County until 10:15. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Keller into Arlington, moving east now at 45 miles per hour. Wind gusts could be in excess of 65 miles an hour. We've had indications of that on radar, especially in the southern half of Tarrant County, and now those storms are kind of leading with a bow echo toward the Dallas County as well, so be aware of that. Again, severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Tarrant and for all of Dallas County until 10:15. Storms are moving from west to east across the county line right now. They could have some very strong, gusty, damaging winds. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.